Welcome to Research Rock. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Tilswall cordless glue gun. I'm purchasing this one from Amazon. Product price is at 22 euro. I already added the link in video description. Now we will do unboxing, how exactly look like and how I fix my cardboard or notebook using this cordless glue gun. Let's check it out. Now we'll do unboxing of Tilswall cordless glue gun W106. This is the number, and after doing this process we can fix this cover here using this cordless glue. So let's see it's really worth it or not. I just simply open here. Box is really premium quality for this price of this product, just only 22 euro. Look at this here. Inside the box we are receiving here so many glue sticks. Apart from that, here is our product inside the box, and box is empty now. Here is the magic booklet, how you use your gun. All types of information is here. C and USB port, you can charge very easily of this product. So look at this here. C type charging port is available. If I charge here like this, so this light, red light, convert as a green, it means the charging is a full. So now I just simply start here. So I will show you here. We are receiving bunch of sticks like this, and one of the stick I already added here. Now I just simply turn it on, and this is the very lightweight. It's very lightweight, handy. And now I just simply turn it on. We can fix here properly this one. I just simply press this button, and let's see, glow is coming here. And this one is too hot, don't touch here. So I just simply press here. Let's see. Yeah, glue is coming here. Look at this here. And we can put it here properly, glue. I just simply press here again, and look at this here, glue is coming. First time you just spend couple of seconds to hit this one, and afterward press, and look at this here, glue stick already gone inside. Now I can just put it here simple as well, something here. I'll just simply put it here and match properly the size as well. So look at this, don't touch here because of this one is too hot, and rub using some strong, and now is done. Your book is fixed. Look at this, it's easy. After that, if you can put it here as well, some glue sticks, and you can fix the cardboard as well using this one. It's easy, and I just simply use here, and that's it. Your book is ready to use now. So this is the simple unboxing, use and review video of Tilswall cordless glue gun. So this is the simple unboxing, review video and use of Tilswall cordless glue gun. If you have any question related on this product, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.